Hi, this is Juana. Welcome back to 60 Seconds on Innovation. Imagine you're running a small but successful innovation program and platform. Now, how do you help them grow? Unlike Jack and the Beanstalk or other fiction out there, your initiative will not and should not grow overnight, reaching the clouds. Instead, what you want is to approach things in a strategic, down-to-earth way. When looking to scale up, organizations have some options, and it really all starts with getting the governance right in the first place. Some companies have centralized teams or service teams that provide all innovation services to the rest of the organization. UCSD is a great example of this approach. Others have decentralized teams whereby each division or country is in charge of its own local innovation effort. Saint-Gobain is the model to follow. Hybrid arrangements or blends of centralized and decentralized governance are also possible. Airbus, Liberty Global, Nokia all use this model. Finally, companies can have a completely separate innovation division if they wish to, and I'm sure Xerox rings a bell. Thanks, and see you at the next one.